Hi, my name is Diana Alexandra Usme Sanchez. Code imperative. Do not go out without a coat. Do not drink anything cold. Take some pills and go home and relax. Modal verbs. You should sleep with a riser pillow and with a well ventilated room. You should consume plenty of fluids, water, milk, juice. You should use humidifiers and vaporizer in dry and low environments. You should wear scarves and warm coats.